Hey folks, welcome to Verified Investing here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. This is the trade setups and action video where I do my best to give you guys some ideas for potential big trades to make a lot of money. Again, my name Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I'm going to show you something epic today, guys, in a couple different charts. We're going to compare the Bitcoin chart to the Shanghai Index and why the Shanghai Index could be set and primed for literally a 3, 4, 500% move over the next year or two. This could be the trade that defines your career in terms of making you a multi-millionaire. All right, before we do that, just a reminder, you can follow me on Twitter at Gareth Soloway, or you can come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. Under my name on the homepage, you'll see my services, Verified Investing and Verified Options. Verified Investing is my flagship service, and it basically comes with trade alerts live, daily videos, live broadcasts where you talk to me and ask me questions and see my chart live, as well as educational videos. Just a reminder, Verified Investing this year over 400% profit, 44 winners, 1 loser right now, and also last year we performed at an over 1,500% clip of profit. It was really an epic year. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin going back to early 2020. Let's take a look at the pivot high from 2017. This is the monthly chart, so 2017 pivot high right here. Here was your secondary kiss of that level or hit of that level, and then here was your third. 1, 2, 3. Look at how the lows connect as well. Beautiful triangular pattern. What happened here, guys? We all know, right? Kaboom! Look at the breakout that took place. An epic, epic move here, and really it was everything you dream about if you're a Bitcoin long holder like I am, with it just skyrocketing exponentially to the upside, going from basically, you know, 10,000 bucks to all the way into the 60,000 range, about a 600% mover. So what the heck does this have to do with the Shanghai Index, guys? I mean, what on earth does it have to do with China? Take a look at the Shanghai Index. Almost identical pattern forming here. All right, almost identical. And you could kind of match up in a weird way. The Chinese stock market is in its infancy compared to the US or the UK or Europe or anything, right? So, I mean, there is a comparison here that makes sense where you have a very new market in China comparatively that's in its infancy compared to the U.S. market or other markets around the world. And Bitcoin, the same thing, right? Very new, not a lot of investors, now getting adopted more and more. The idea is China will likely be that. Look at this. Again, same thing. Take the high pivot here on the monthly chart, second high pivot, third high pivot we just hit recently. We're pulling back off of it, just like Bitcoin did. Look at the low pivot, low pivot, low pivot, low pivots here. Same chart pattern. This is a chart pattern that is powerful. And again, this makes me like the Chinese stock market over the next couple years much, much more than the U.S. stock market, because the U.S. stock market is at all-time highs. China's not even close. I mean, you have to go back years to get back to the high pivot over here in China in the Shanghai Index. So the idea here is if this follows the Bitcoin breakout, this is what you're going to get, folks, on the Shanghai. Likely over the next 3 to 6 months, a breakout of epic proportion that could last for 1 to 2 years. The move up here would be epic. Again, we're not just talking back to this high. If it follows the Bitcoin move, you're going to see a move to the highs, consolidation for a little while, and then it's going to break through. And again, if you just think about what Bitcoin has done here, it's gone up basically, you know, 500–600%, right? So if you map that out to the Shanghai Index, you could be up for epic, epic rewards. That makes me want to be in stocks like Alibaba and Baidu and VipShop and GSX and, you know, IQ and all these Chinese names, plus find other ways to invest in China, maybe the FXI down the line as well when this breakout occurs. So keep this on your radar, folks. I do think it is an epic opportunity and something that's forward-looking. I always try to find things that haven't triggered yet, that haven't made their move. In fact, I was one of the first people on Bitcoin. Back in early 2020, I told everyone that I was loading the boat on Bitcoin, and we've certainly seen the move from there. Have a good one, guys. Come check me out at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Join Verified Investing Alerts to get my daily analysis and videos, plus my live swing trades. Come here, join me. I'll see you soon. Take